Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset tire pressure on your Mini Countryman. First, confirm all 4 tires are inflated to their recommended pressure. You can find these specifications in your owner's manual or on a sticker inside the driver's door jamb. It's crucial to check these pressures when the tires are cold for the most accurate results. Once confirmed, turn your Mini Countryman's ignition on, but do not start the engine. Next, locate your iDrive controller, typically found in the center console. Use it to navigate to the main menu on your display screen. From there, you'll want to find and select either My Mini or Vehicle Status. Once you're in that section, proceed to choose the Vehicle Information option to access further settings related to your car's systems. Now, within the Vehicle Information menu, scroll down and select the Tire Pressure Monitor option. This will bring you to the specific settings for your tire pressure system. From there, you'll see an option to perform Reset or Reset Tire Pressure. Select this, and then confirm your choice to initiate the recalibration process. This tells your Mini to learn the current tire pressures as the new baseline. To finalize the reset, you'll need to drive your Mini Countryman for at least 10 minutes at a speed exceeding 15 miles per hour. During this drive, the system will automatically recalibrate and learn the new tire pressures. Once complete, a confirmation message will appear on your display, indicating a successful reset. For more great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.